Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham. Today I'm here to walk you around this lovely 2020 used Academy car that we now have for sale. This one has covered just over 6,000 miles and has had 3 owners since new and was used in the 2020 season. It's now being sold for the purpose of practicing for your next Academy season, or if you just want a race car that's race ready, then this is the car for you. So this one, again, is a standard Academy spec, which means it's been finished in gravity black. The previous owner has put some gold pinstripes on it, but essentially it is ready to go as is. Some damage on this car, which is normal wear and tear for a track car. You do tend to get a bit of starfishing around the nose cone and some firm damage around the side. So it's on the Academy tyres, so these can be upgraded to road sport if you did want to participate in road sport. You do get halogen lights as standard on these and adjustable suspension. Down on the side, you can start to see a little bit about the track use, so it's got a bit of stone chipping just down there, but it's still very drivable and very usable. It's on the 13-inch Apollo alloys finished in black to match the rest of the bodywork, and does come with the doors and the full hood as well. Towards the rear of the car, you do get the full cage, so it's ready for the track, and this one's also been fitted with the third brake light, which is FIA approved, and you also get your normal lights at the back, so you get your reverse lights and your brake lights as standard. The fill cap is in black as well to match the rest of the bodywork. And again, the car has been well looked after. So you join me now on the interior of the Caterham Academy car. We'll start off by talking about the seats. So these are your standard composite tillet race seats, finished with the Scroth racing harness for the driver and the standard Caterham 4-point for the passenger. You get a quick release Momo leather steering wheel, battery kill switch on the outside, which is quite useful in these cars, and this one's been fitted with a helicopter style switch to turn the car on and off via that way, and you've also got a plumbed in fire extinguisher. Again, condition has been very well looked after, but does have some signs of age, wear and tear on this. So that brings us to the end of the video on this lovely 2020 used Academy car. If you're looking to get some practice in for your next season or just want a car to get on the track, then this is the car for you. Any more details, please do give us a call on 01932 240 611 or visit the link in the website down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.